Hello, and thank you for stopping by. Today, I just want to give a little safety warning. You notice in my comments, I always say stay safe. Well, I try to be as safe as possible. The other day, I was doing a little welding. My chest was completely covered. I had my gloves on, my helmet, my mask, and I was welding under a trailer. I was using a Harbor Freight flux core welder, and I had to use an extension cord that was a little on the long side, and I was limited to the amount of rust I could get off in the channel eye. Well, anyway, as I was welding, I end up changing position, and I usually wear old pants when I weld, and these pants happen to have a rip in them, and it just so happened that sparks flew right into the rip that I had. This was just yesterday. Look at that blister. Let me tell you, this hurt. So this is just a little heads up to be careful. So no matter how safe you think you might be working, it just takes that split second where either you're not paying attention or something happens that you could get seriously hurt. Fortunately, this wasn't that serious. Until next time, stay safe.